starting the video, I just wanted to tell you one important thing, that expectations versus reality, the video which we go and see, many of the times the videos show that expectations which we think that they will go as right, but they go in a wrong way or a wrong manner. But here in this video, I am going to only showcase on the positive side. Previously, I thought that I would not be comfortable sitting in front of the camera. But when I started my YouTube channel, I was comfortable sitting in front of the camera, comfortable talking to the camera, and yes, that thought which came in my mind that I would not be comfortable, which came into a positive side, and I am too much comfortable in front of the camera. Before starting the YouTube channel, I was thinking that editing is going to be a difficult task for me. But when I actually started my YouTube channel, started editing my own videos, I found that editing is much interesting task that I can do. And as I like to learn many things, now I'm actually learning many things in editing. I'm actually learning the softwares which I never heard before, and that is much easy, I would say. At starting, when I decided I would be doing YouTube, at that time the thought first came in my mind was what I'm going to say or what I'm going to talk in front of the camera. Or I thought that within a week or within a month I'm going to go lost in my topics, or I will say I'm going to run out of the topics. But when now I'm working as a YouTuber, I found that I have a number of topics, or I've took out tons of topics where I can actually create videos for a month or a year, I will say. Yes, I have so many topics to do or to create videos. I have actually created a master list. As my expectation was what I will say in front of the camera, when I actually create videos, I found out that I just choose one topic where I'm going to create a video. I just write down 5 to 6 pointers on which I'm going to talk in front of the camera, and when I actually sit in front of the camera, I just don't stop talking. At starting, I was thinking that creating a YouTube video is going to be a simple task of 10 to 15 minutes, but when I actually started shooting my YouTube videos, oh my god, it takes a whole day to shoot a single video. Yes, and I don't know what other YouTubers do, but for me, I'm a person who shoots one video per day, and I'm comfortable in shooting one video per day. I also go and watch multiple YouTubers talk about random doing a batch video session, but I don't know why I'm not comfortable with that batch session, but I'm comfortable with one video per day, and because it takes one day. Yes, actually, whenever we shoot a YouTube video, it happens that we have to check our background, our lightings, our mic. As I do not use an extra mic, I only use the mic which is on my camera. So for me, that's fine, but people have to check their background, their mic, the ring lights which we use, or many things we have to do before we start shooting the YouTube video. So the moral of the story. Okay, so the moral of the story, we should not underestimate a single thing. That's it for today's video. Hope you like this video, small and sweet video. If you like this video, then do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Let's meet you in the next video. Till the time, take care, bye. Did you subscribe me? Please subscribe me.